what's up everyone? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm really excited about this video because we are going to dive into some of the coolest free AI resources out there. All of them are free and all of them are going to cover everything for building our own AI project to some of the more theoretical and foundational stuff. And since you are already a fan of this channel, you know that I'm always keeping an eye out for how AI and security work together. Let's get started. The first resource that I want to show you guys is the red teaming LLM application made by Giskard. You can find it here in the deeplearning.ai. They have several courses and several free resources, so it may be worth it to take a look to the entire website. But for this one specifically, it's like a really introductory course about red teaming LLM applications, right? So it's just a beginner level, 1 hour and 20 minutes. It's only video with some code examples, and it's really good, really well made, but super brief. So it's a good way to start in this world. Then the one that I want to share you guys is the AttackIQ Academy. They have several different courses. This one is free, and it's actually a really good one. The course length, the course duration is about 5 hours, so it's like more serious than the other one, just to put it that way, and includes a lot of things from the introduction to artificial intelligence to risk management on AI, and also it takes us to Mitre Atlas and the OWASP, right? So it shows us all the different vulnerabilities. It's really good. Then we have the Lakera AI Security Introductory email course. I started with this one. It was really good. You receive like one email every day for 10 days. In a row. Well, actually it's not entirely in a row, but somehow it's like that. And well, basically they share like different resources, content, things to study, research papers, like academic papers, which is really good. It's super introductory though, so don't get crazy about it, but it's really good. It's still really good, and of course it's free like the rest. And now the other one, of course, is PortSwigger for the people who is already in cybersecurity. I'm sure that you already know about their blog and their their blog and their academy. They have, for me, the second best academy for cybersecurity things, and they have a specific lab that is web LLM attacks. So they usually, teach you what is a prompt injection, how to detect it. In direct prompt injection, you have the different vulnerabilities like leaking sensitive training data, defending, how to defend against this. And of course, you have all the hands-on challenges. That is, the PortSwigger Academy is really popular for their super good quality challenges. So see, we have like 4 different ones: exploiting elements, APIs, exploiting vulnerabilities in elements, indirect prompt injection, that I'm going to make a deep video about this vulnerability. And then we have the exploiting insecure output handling in LLMs. So this for me is one of the best resources for hands-on practice. Of course, Lakera has Gandalf, which is like for doing prompt injection and retrieve the key or the secret. I strongly suggest you, recommend you that one. Of course, if you take this course, you are going to learn about the Gandalf application and how to play with it. And then for me, the best result so far is Hack the Box Academy AI Red Teamer. You can see there are 3 modules just yet, but they are working on this and they are uploading new modules every day. So for example, the first one is fundamentals of AI. I think that is great. It's a great resource to start. It's super theoretical. There is no video, there is no practical challenge, so it's really foundational but super deep. So it's actually a really good resource to start. Then we have this module that is application of AI in InfoSec. which is really good because they teach us how to make different projects. So we have, for example, spam detection, we have network anomaly detection, and then we have the malware detection. So it's really good. It gives us our first 3 projects with AI and cybersecurity, which is great. And it's also, like, if you can see here, these 2 are free. Well, free, or virtually free, because it's only 10 cubes. When you create an Academy account, you have 40 cubes. So you spend 10 cubes here in this module, but then Hackthebox give you back 10 cubes, right? When you finish the final assessment. So I would say that it's virtually free, all of them. And the third one is more like red teaming, like going deep in red teaming. And I think, if I'm not wrong about it, yeah, they teach us the OWASP Top 10 and some vulnerabilities of the OWASP Top 10. It's a small module of, I can see, but yeah, Bautia is great. He's the author of several modules in the Academy, so I'm sure that the quality will be awesome. And then, well, those are the 5 resources that I want to show you today. I'm going to leave you all the links below. If you like it, please subscribe, like it, and share. And let me know in the comment section below if you have any other question, if you find these resources available or like helpful. And also, I want to share you some other ones who are more not that offensive, but it's still safety and security, quality and safety for element applications, made by Y Labs. And then we have, for example, for the foundational AI training, this is for free and it's insane, made by Google. Of course, really good resources. This is more generic, so, and that's why I didn't add it to the 5. Then, of course, we have AI for cybersecurity specialization, which is a Coursera course. Of course, it's free for us, but if we want the certification, we will need to pay. Of course, it's how Coursera works. And the last one, last but not least, we have NVIDIA. So we know that NVIDIA is one of the major vendors for AI applications and hardware. And of course, they have a huge amount of software and AI applications that they also have, for example, a tool that do automation on security checks for LLMs, which is really good. And I will share it in the next video too. But they, of course, they have several courses. We have deep learning, generative AI, and LLM. And of course, some of them are free. For example, Generative AI Explained, which is really an introductory course, but it's free and it's made by NVIDIA, so the quality is insanely good. Then, yeah, we have different ones like building RAG agent with LLMs, and some of the other ones are not free, of course. But yeah, it's another resource that I want to show you guys. That's all for today. I hope you like the video. Again, please subscribe, comment below how did you find, or if you already knew about these resources. If you have something to recommend to the community, please, yeah, comment below, share with the community. The idea is to keep growing all together. I love AI security. I'm honestly working on my the certification. At the same time, I'm like working on different stuff and making these videos. But the idea is to, of course, upload another video about my AI security certification and the journey to study those materials. So I hope you like it again. Hope to see you soon, and good luck.